When you start playing every day, whenever it is, what's the first thing you do? I'm going to suggest, I know there are thousands of ways to do this, and each person is different and each person has a different approach. Try this. See, also thinking of kids who are beginning. It can be good to separate left hand from right hand completely. Look, try this with me. It takes less than 5 minutes, but I'll show you first what I do. It's just left hand, look. It's as boring as right. So it's up to you to find a way for it to be like this. But look, there's one thing which maybe you have noticed, but you should. It's not this. It's not. Aga, it's this. You rotate on this finger and it brings, look, again, look. The finger doesn't move, the hand moves. All the finger does is this, you know. This is the most important thing in using your left hand. And doing it, we do it first with, there are 6 combinations of fingers. We'll go through them. It takes a few minutes. Start always nice and slowly, and remember, this is nothing spectacular, this is nothing virtuoso if you think this way. Because nothing is boring. What you say is, I am bored, or whoever, say, I am bored. So I have to find a way that it's not boring. It's like a kind of meditation. And if you really, it's like it's not that you're talking to the finger, but you're in a communication with it. So look, let's try this together. And bear in mind this. You can have exaggerated a little bit. Now, this is an interesting because it's a very natural thing what to do. That you don't release both fingers. This one, and then you bring it up. Okay, let's go. leave the and now rise up like this. Yeah. Now, column daddy. You feel that the little finger just isn't as strong as the others. It's strange, isn't it? In the morning, you feel like you're a beginner. Fingers, yeah. Right. Now we move to the 8th position. We did the neighboring fingers, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Now we do Uks column, Uks nelly, Cox nelly. Right. So, yeah, 8th position. Now you can go a little bit faster. Nelly. Cox Nelly. Last part, we go to the 9th position. There's a little thing different here, look. We leave the fingers down and only bring them when we need them. Let's start up here again. Leave them down as low. Look. Now we get here, and then we go back to the 8th and do the same thing, and then to the 7th. Okay? Go. Oops. Cock. Notice the 3rd finger is not. That's natural. Back to the 7th. Finished. Now, the reason we go from 7th to 8th to 9th and back, it's psychological. You can do everything here. You can do it all there. But then you feel you're just staying here. When you do this, it's like you have a beginning, a development, and an end. It's really for the head much easier to know I'm here now, I have to go back there. It's the difference between like just, you can walk like this. You still exercise the legs, but you're very quickly going to get bored if you just walk somewhere different. Exactly the same feeling. No. That's just, this gets your left hand woken up.